reset your HP LaserJet Enterprise printer back to the factory default settings. From the home screen on the printer control panel, open the Settings menu. Touch the General menu and then select Reset Factory Settings. Select Reset. A verification message lets you know that completing the reset function might result in loss of data. Select Reset again to complete the process. The printer restarts automatically after the reset operation completes. To reset your printer to factory settings using the Embedded Web Server, or EWS, you must first identify the printer's IP address or host name. On the home screen of the printer control panel, touch the Information icon. Touch Ethernet to display the printer's IP address or host name. Write down the IP address or host name, or touch the Print icon to print the network information. From a computer or device connected to the same network as the printer, open a web browser. Enter the IP address or host name into the browser's address bar. If entering the host name, make sure http:// is entered before the host name. If a message displays indicating that accessing the website might not be safe, select the option to continue to the website. Accessing the EWS will not harm your computer. From the EWS, select Sign In. Enter the administrator credentials and select Sign In. With administrator options visible, select the General tab. In the left navigation pane, click Reset Factory Settings. Click the Reset button. The printer restarts automatically after the reset operation completes.
Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.